Hello everybody. So we have 6 minutes to choose our positions. I'm afraid I'm not gonna long anything. I mean, I think the Sunday New York might sell all of this off. What we got? Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 into the EMA on a 4 hour, so I'm expecting a pullback. So the entire market might just go down. So why? And entering shorts as well is a little bit risky. So this, I don't think it's going to be any trade available. This guy as well rejecting off of this hype. Blue AI, it's under and it's printing a bullish effort, which is bearish, which means it's just going to dump. Sky AI, I'm glad we took a loss of $1 literally. No, I was in Blue AI, sorry. Well, Blue AI is not doing good either. We got out of these positions. Those positions. I mean, 1, 2, 3, third bearish candle on the 4 hours. It's just gonna be. There's just a room for a fourth one, especially if we already swept these guys here. So there's nothing stopping us to fill these 3 bearish candles. I mean bullish candles. Again, it's all lining up for a short, but it's been a bullish rebound so far. Ho ho ho! Look at home. I'm glad we took our profits because I think we took our trade here on this one. We took our profits. If we held, we would have been underwater again. So that's what I like about this strategy, that you just scalp it and you don't care where is this going. Okay, it can go 50%, 100% higher, but it also can just about hit your take profit, which you're not gonna take, and then take you under for weeks, you know. I'm thinking we're gonna chill, wait for a weekly open. A weekly open is gonna look a little nasty. We might see some bullish effort on the weekly open like this guy here till half, and then a week after, bam, continuation lower towards 40k. Because if this was a pullback, which it is, this would mean we go below 40k to around 37k. It's the target for this pullback. Just like this pullback, the target was double that. Let's see where it stopped. Would you look at that? People were getting out here exactly on this candle. Boom. First rejection right at this level. And we kind of trying to make it, but what we did, we retraced all of it. And then did we actually manage to do this one? No, we didn't. Still in play. 145,000. I mean, this one was crazy good, wasn't it? Another example is this guy. We made a move down. It's a different kind. That's a like measured move of the the bearish move. And it also points down towards this level. Under all of this effort, under this as well. So below 38k. Well, look at this first bearish move. And what happened? This was the bear target. Yeah. We went through and through. And this guy was a pullback. And we came down right here. Went through. And eventually that was it. We came back and retraced all of it like this one. There's a target. Everybody sold. We made nothing on the breakout. But then we resumed. That's what I'm expecting here. We did that. This pullback, bearish target, double that. And we did that. And we gave it all back, if you were short, just to go down again. So now on the rise, we didn't make this one. Yeah, we did like half. So maybe half of this one is around below this low. It's a great wick to get filled. Well, there's got to be some kind of monthly low, right? Yeah. So this is the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bam. We got the wedge on the monthlies. And I want to go below this low for a V shape. For an absolute V shape. This is gonna cost you 150. But then this will be a pullback. And a 1-to-1 is at 140, so it's gonna look like $500 again. But I don't know. Everything looks like shit. Everything. Okay, we got 2 o'clock. Do we have anything pulling up or down so far? It's kind of bearish as expected so far. Selling off a little bit on the 5 minute. Yeah, I wouldn't long anything now. Oh. This guy might just continue. Closer towards EMAs, like the 50. Then I would long this. Scalp 5%. MYX, we're kind of in the upper part of that range here. Or actually, and below the point control. So I would expect we go down to point up to value real low. So no long. This is more of a short. Yeah, this looks more like a short. You can take it if you want, but I'm not. Fuck shorts. Home can pump a little bit. I'm not gonna long this. We didn't. Oh, we did actually. Well, technically it's a range low, so might be a good idea to long home. Yeah. But if Bitcoin decides to dump, right? Portal. Do we long portal and home and hay? Hay looks like a long. Come on, let's long hay. Hay looks like a long. Dun 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 dun. Actually, changed my mind. It's the middle of the fucking range. I would long it from here. Might actually set up a $100 long. Why did it look so good on the 4 hour? Yeah. Is this a long? 1, 2, 2 short ones. Resolve. Yeah. It all looks like too extended after Asia 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna long here expecting we're gonna go again. We already changed the market structure, so I would expect we just go down here. So just set the alert. Meme again as well. I would expect this whole leg to be taken out. Beautiful move in Asia, but this is actually interesting. Yeah, baby. Do we long baby? Do we long baby, baby? It's kind of bearish as well. Maybe we can go down here. So we can long it here. And baby. J2O needs to come down. This guy needs to come down. Everything needs to come down, really. Blue AI. It's a risky long. I'm not gonna take it. I mean, we could just technically go for all these 3 pushes, or at least till here, but I will still be able to capitalize and leave this trade. We took out the knee. Are there any knees over here? 1, 2. So technically we might go for this and then disappear. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna buy 1, 2, 3 this high. Yeah. If you come down below this, I might long, but I don't think Bitcoin will pump. That's why I'm on the sides, waiting for the dump. Okay, so I guess that's it. I don't think I'll pick any longs. Well, Blue AI was a long. Still is. Break this. Might go for this or for this. That's a wedge formation. Bullish pattern. Might see a squeeze. I don't like the funding for the squeeze. The funding doesn't say, oh, look, Blue AI. Positive funding. Right, whatever. I think I'll take it. And what? We take $6 home. Just before this low, we want to get out, right? Because it's probably gonna reject here. And that will be my only trade for now. If we go lower, for these lows, I will add another hundo. But for now, it's my only trade. Yeah, everything's coming down. All my long prospects, they just don't work. They don't work. All of it goes down. I'm glad I didn't long this, because I'm expecting Bitcoin to dump. That's why all these guys. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking kidding me? It looked so different just a second ago. Oh, man. Well, anyway, there's no other trades at the moment for me. I'm not gonna short these lows, and longs are a bit extended as well in this little rally we had. Look at ton. Ton is gonna go all the way down to my entry in it, and I'm gonna make $0 again on my fucking spot. Cocksuckers. Close it now and it's gonna fucking do that. Alright, so just one trade. Just one trade for now. We might reject the 50, but again, I will scale into the trade. We are way below our 1x leverage, so still have room for 4 other positions. And if there are much more, if Bitcoin is pumping, well, if we close the next 12-hour bearish, but not below this guy, we might see a pump at the right. Okay, so there's a danger right here if we're gonna do it with the next daily. And we're gonna do this. Bullish close, bullish daily close, another one, boom. Bullish daily close, only a trap. Just like this, bullish daily close. The problem is there's no context right here, so it would be nice to see. I'll be furious, but it would be nice to see this. Get that leg filled and dump lower. But anyway, everything is says that at this open, which is gonna go down lower, as we are now. Oh look. I'm in profit over here. Right, so just gonna leave it, and later today or tonight, I'll go over all the yeah, that's why I didn't buy anything at the turn of this 12-hour candle, because Bitcoin is dumping. Jesus, everybody's dumping. Apart from this guy, because this has got a bullish pattern here, bullish setup. This guy not so much, this guy not so much. I mean, all the longs I had for buy the close are bleeding. So why? Because maybe we should buy the hay, actually. Just a little long. Check our $6. Perfect. Maybe we can climb up here, take this, range high, boom, boom. But yeah. Alright, these are my two positions. I don't think there's any more here to do. That's too much, that's too much. Too big of an ask in a bearish market structure. This one too. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy anything else. I'm not gonna buy anything else. Bitcoin will be in a bit of a sell-off mode if you close like this, the daily, or like here, within this candle. If we close this, within this, we might just continue lower off of that bullish daily, right? Super high probability. That we just, with the new weekly, just gonna straight up lower. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. We open the new week, everybody gonna panic. Or buy the weekly back. I know, we'll see. We are still in this range. Everybody made a new low, so maybe it's not a range anymore. Maybe it's not a range anymore. And what else do we need to know? I like this. If we close like this within this candle, this 12-hour, this would be nice little long. Faux show. Could this be the higher low? I don't like it because 1, 2, 3. We already had 3 pushes. So might as well go down here with wild. This fucking guy. Yeah, we're dumping. What a beautiful entry, huh? So nice. Yeah, no point of entering any more positions, any more long positions. Fuck that. So yeah, this next 12-hour, again, on all of this, If we close within this candle, just like that, or a little bit lower or whatever, it will be by the close. We have 1, 2 bullish ones and then bearish one. Let me show you similar, like here, short one, short body, long body, and then a green close, which is a bearish close, suggesting, you know, we're having bears piling up to go lower, but in fact we squeeze them, just like this one, short one, long one, and then a pullback one, which didn't cover the entire thing, which is only a by the close. Look, it's just at this close, it's only higher. Anywhere else? Yeah, like here, 1, 2, and then at this level we have shorts, and we buy the close this bearish candle. Beautiful. Anywhere else? I mean, it's every time, right? This happens. This one, 1, 2, bearish close within this candle, and it's long city. Well, it was bear city as well, but you get to scalp your 5% and leave, right? Anywhere else? Like here, 1, 2. I mean, no, this is not good because we should have this pullback one here, and then it's a long. We didn't have that. It didn't happen. Wasn't a setup. This is not a setup either. This, yes, you see, 1, 2, short, long one, and then bearish close, and it's a buy the close. Enough for your scalp. This guy as well, 1, 2, buy the close. How much is this buy the close, by the way? 1, 8, and 5% comes a bit later. Yes. This guy, you buy the close, and your 5% comes, well, in 9 days, right? But it does come. This one is beautiful, right? 1, 2, buy the close. 1, 2, bearish one, buy the close. Alright. I'm gonna go now. You get the idea. Lolek. You get the idea. Alright, I'm gonna see you at the close of the next 12-hour candle, which is basically at the close of the daily and at the close of the weekly. It's gonna be an exciting, as usual, time. I love to trade from, the open of Monday, because you have a new weekly, you have a new daily, you have a new 12-hour, you have a new 4-hour, 8-hour. A lot is going on at 2 a.m. in the morning, European Central Time, and sometimes we even have monthly at this time, which is a crazy, like we had last month. We had all these candles open at the same time, monthly, weekly, daily, 12-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour, I don't know about 8-hour, but yeah, 11:36. This guy, 8-hour, 4-hour, 2-hour. I mean, yeah, it's crazy.